When investors hear pitches for new business ideas, they often try to focus on the business's underlying proposition to determine whether to invest. But what if investors were also swayed by content in pitches that had little to do with the quality of the business proposition itself? Through 12 studies using actual pitch competitions and their outcomes, a researcher found that dynamic visual information in a business pitch significantly impacted investment decisions, and that the effect often happened with little conscious awareness. Over 80% of study participants said that a pitch's fundamental business plan would be the most important piece of information in determining whether a business was worth supporting. However, the researcher found that people were most able to judge whether or not an entrepreneur won a pitch contest based on silent video recordings of the pitch, rather than auditory or business plan cues. Even when video recordings of pitches had no accompanying audio, people had a much easier time assessing the pitch's success in the competition than when they heard the pitch, read the business plan itself, or even viewed the full videos with sound. Whether brief excerpts or entire pitches were presented, participants were able to identify the actual winners most often when only visual cues were available. Wonder how visual information contributes to pitch success? If so, you may want to read this paper.